Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best laptop cooling pads that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Truly Pine Laptop Cooling Pad, which is an excellent budget-friendly option priced at just $17.09. This cooling pad is equipped with a whopping 12 quiet fans, which provide robust airflow to keep your laptop cool during intensive tasks or gaming sessions. The fans feature capacitor components to ensure a whisper-quiet experience, and the large metal mesh surface enhances heat dissipation. Additionally, it comes with colorful LED lights that offer 3 effect modes, creating a visually appealing setup for gamers. In terms of design and usability, this cooling pad is slim, portable, and features an ergonomic stand with 5 adjustable height settings. This ensures you can find the perfect angle for long hours of use, whether working, watching videos, or gaming. It also includes 2 non-slip baffles with heightening pads, preventing your laptop from sliding, a thoughtful touch for added stability. Unique extras like dual USB ports and a phone holder make it a versatile and practical choice for users who want functionality on a budget. While it delivers solid performance for its price, its plastic build feels less premium compared to higher-end models. Ideal for casual users and gamers who need effective cooling without spending much. The Truly Pine Laptop Cooling Pad is a solid entry-level choice. On the downside, RGB lighting enthusiasts might find the light effects less customizable compared to pricier options. Overall, this is a great pick for those seeking affordability and decent cooling performance. At number 4, we have the Coupe Laptop Cooling Pad, priced at $25.99. Designed for versatility, this cooling pad features 5 quiet fans, including 1 large main fan and 4 smaller fans, all equipped with blue LED lights. The dual on-off switches allow you to control the fan configurations, from running 1 fan to all 5 simultaneously, providing flexibility depending on your cooling needs. The sturdy metal mesh surface ensures effective heat dissipation, making it perfect for laptops ranging from 12 to 17 inches. The ergonomic design stands out, offering 6 adjustable height settings to help you find the most comfortable angle for working or gaming. It also includes 2 stoppers on the front to prevent your laptop from slipping, a thoughtful addition for stability. The built-in dual USB hub adds convenience by allowing you to connect peripherals without consuming your laptop's USB ports. This cooling pad is ideal for extended use, whether for gaming, streaming, or working, and its whisper-quiet fans ensure minimal distraction. However, the Coupe cooling pad is slightly heavier than other models, weighing in at 2.55 pounds, which may not be ideal for frequent travelers. Its lighting options lack the customization seen in higher-end models, but for its price, the cooling performance and ergonomic features are impressive. This cooling pad is a great choice for users seeking a balance between affordability and functionality, with enough cooling power for mid-range laptops. Coming in at number 3 is the Havit HV F2056 Laptop Cooling Pad, priced at $27.99. This is one of the most popular cooling pads on the market, and for good reason. It features 3 ultra-quiet fans that generate sufficient airflow to keep your laptop cool while maintaining a noise-free environment. The slim, lightweight design makes it highly portable, and the high-quality metal mesh provides a durable, stable surface for your laptop. One of its standout features is its dual USB hub, allowing you to connect additional devices while using the cooling pad. The ergonomic stand includes 2 adjustable height settings, making it comfortable for prolonged use, whether you're working or gaming. It's compatible with laptops up to 17 inches, making it suitable for a wide range of devices. The blue LED lighting adds a subtle aesthetic touch without overwhelming your workspace. On the downside, the number of fans may not be sufficient for users with high-performance gaming laptops that generate significant heat. However, for most everyday users, the Havit HV-F2056 delivers excellent cooling performance, portability, and durability. With over 43,000 ratings and a 4.5-star average, it's clear this is a reliable choice for everyday laptop cooling needs. At number 2, we have the Chillcore laptop cooling pad, retailing for $34.98. This cooling pad is a powerhouse, featuring 9 high-performance fans that efficiently cool laptops, ranging from 15.6 to an impressive 19.3 inches. The fans are designed with capacitor components for whisper-quiet operation, even at maximum speed. What sets this pad apart is its LCD display, which allows you to monitor fan speeds and adjust RGB lighting modes with ease. Speaking of lighting, it offers 10 RGB light modes, creating an immersive gaming atmosphere. The ergonomic design includes 8 adjustable height settings, making it one of the most versatile options for customizing your setup. The large metal mesh surface provides excellent heat dissipation, while the sturdy build ensures durability. It also includes 2 USB ports for added convenience, allowing you to connect peripherals without sacrificing functionality. Despite its premium features, it remains easy to use, even for non-tech-savvy individuals. The Chillcore cooling pad is slightly heavier than other models, but its robust build and advanced features make it ideal for gamers and professionals with high-performance laptops. Its price is on the higher end of the spectrum, but the performance and customization options make it well worth the investment for serious users. And finally, at number 1, we have the DPGI laptop cooling pad, the premium option priced at $34.99. This cooling pad features a unique 5.5-inch movable fan that can be aligned directly with your laptop's heat vents, delivering targeted cooling where it's needed most. The fan is incredibly easy to clean, sliding out in just 2 seconds, a convenience you won't find in most other models. Additionally, it boasts auto temperature sensing, which adjusts the fan speed based on your laptop's heat levels, or you can manually control the speed with 3 settings. What makes the DPGI pad stand out even further is its immersive RGB lighting setup. It offers 8 vivid lighting modes and 2 music sync effects, making it perfect for gamers and streamers who love a dynamic visual experience. The ultra-quiet operation, less than 40 decibels, ensures that it won't disrupt your workflow or gaming sessions. Even under heavy loads, its ergonomic design includes adjustable height levels, helping to reduce neck and back strain during long hours of use. The build quality is exceptional, combining durable plastic and metal components for a solid feel. While it's slightly pricier than other options, the DPGI laptop cooling pad justifies its cost with advanced features like the movable fan, auto temp sensor, and customizable lighting. It's an excellent choice for gamers, professionals, and anyone seeking top-tier cooling performance for laptops up to 17.3 inches. With a perfect 5-star customer rating, this cooling pad truly earns its place as the number 1 pick. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.